ṣé ẹ rí ẹ̀yin èèyàn nǹkan tí ẹ bá understand àbí nǹkan tí ò bá yé yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ cyberspace ẹ má mọ̀ dá sí mọ́. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́rọ̀ ni wọ́n fi gbẹ́ lòmíì lẹ́nu. Nígbà téèyàn post story tó post ó attach wrong picture, ó wá ń sọ pé ẹni tí nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí nínú story yẹn picture ẹni yẹn rèé. Èmi tí mo dẹ̀ ní picture, mo rí picture yẹn, mo sọ fún ẹ pé go and re-edit this video. I was not the one that saw it. Somebody saw that video and tagged me. It was yesterday's night. My attention was drawn to that video that somebody attached your picture to a story. And he said the ASP, ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá tí ìyàwó ẹ̀ gókó ẹ̀ dànù yẹn, táwọn méjèèjì jọ para wọn yẹn. The guy attached my picture thinking that is the picture of the wife of that ASP. So he now said, so I saw that video. I commented at that comment section, tagging the guy, telling him to remove that video. Pé kó re-edit ẹ̀. Later he came to my DM and said, òun rí picture yẹn lábẹ́ write-up kan. So I have to tell him pé I'm the one that put up that write-up, attaching my picture to my own write-up on my page. That picture is my picture. It's not the picture of the wife of that ASP that was murdered by his wife. So edit your video, which is normal. Ẹ̀yin dìndìnrín róbó kan torí nǹkan tí máa pè yín nìyẹn. Ẹ wá sọ pé bóyá story yẹn bóyá ti jọ attach ẹ̀ pọ̀. Ta ló mọ̀ yàn rí? Page tí mo lọ wò bóyá èèyàn 5,000 ló wà níbẹ̀. Kí ni business tèmi pẹ̀lú yẹn? Me, I'm not a blogger. I'm a content creator. Àwọn blogger, many of them ò ní content. Wọ́n máa ń gbé story, wọ́n máa ń join story, ṣe cut and join it. They don't have their own personal content, don't create. So when they see story like that, they attach it without doing their findings. Ó lóun rí nínú news kan, lóun rí photo yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀. How can you say you see my picture on a news? Ṣé àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n pa ìkan nínú member wọn, ṣé wọn ò dá picture colleague wọn mọ̀ àti picture ìyàwó colleague wọn? So write up tó rí ṣẹ́dmọ̀ tí mo bá kọ write up, I will attach my picture with my own write up. So the moment tóun ti rí picture yẹn lòun kàn ti attach ẹ̀ mọ́ video yẹn without doing his findings. That's why I'm calling his attention. If the Facebook master and right manager tó bá rí tàbí tí ń bá file copyright report they can either demonetize his page or bring down that page. That's why I'm calling his attention to it. The father, remove this video or lọ re-edit ẹ̀. If I take my own personal picture with that video and use it to file a copyright report, Facebook will strike him. And mo máa ń sọ ẹ̀yin blogger tẹ́ mọ̀ wípé ẹ fẹ́ build the page. It's good to carry story that happened, but verify story before you post it. If you are a content creator, you don't have problem because you have a niche. You have a content that you are creating, which is normal. But many bloggers don't have content. Story, trending story, normal low. So you can't attach someone else's picture with that kind of story and expect the person to be quiet. Mo dẹ̀ tún tag ẹ̀, mo tún ṣe update, mo tún ṣe write up, mo tún post picture because many of them, nǹkan táwọn bloggers yẹn máa ń ṣe nìyẹn. Tó máa ti ṣe tí ò dáa, if you are calling their attention, they will pretend as if pójú wọn fọ́ àwọn orí. Ọjọ́ tí mo ṣe fídíò kan náà gbà yẹn tí lady kan gbé, despite páwọn èèyàn wọ̀ náà ní comment section. Queen Latifa 85 àbí kí lorúkọ woman yẹn. People are warning him. The comment section gan ò favor ẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn wọ̀n náà ní comment section pé nǹkan tẹ́ni yìí mean nínú content tó ṣe kọ́ ló gbé yìí. Nǹkan tó mean kọ́ rèé. Ó ṣàránṣan. Comment section yẹn ò favor ẹ̀ gan. Ó tún ránṣan náà ni. A lot of them are pretend bí pójú wọn fọ́. And if your page is reported, they will strike you down. Ẹkún lẹ máa sun pé wọ́n report yín, wọ́n bring down page yín, wọ́n pull ẹ̀, wọ́n ṣe gbá, wọ́n ṣàwo. Ìmí àgbéṣẹ́ yín, àwọn fans ẹ máa bú yín ní comment section. Ojú ẹ̀ àfọ́ alóhùn orí náà rí. Èmi ò kí ń gbéṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́ sórí page mi kí n wá ṣe manipulatively because I have my own content. Now back to this one. You attach that picture to that video. Mo dẹ̀ ń call attention ẹ pé this picture is my picture. Ó tún wá DM níjọ́ kejì. hey, are you sure that picture is your picture? What type of nonsense question is that? The people who saw the video, who saw my picture there, they were the one that caught my attention. So if outsiders should recognize my picture, I will not recognize my own picture. If it is AI, we are going to know pé AI ni. Ìwọ náà dẹ̀ confess, olórí picture yẹn lábẹ́ write-up kan. The write-up is my write-up. And it's my intellectual property. I attach my picture with my write-up. You are the one that's supposed to do your investigation to be able to know pé ṣé ní tí nǹkan tí ìyàwó ASP yẹn ṣó ń gangan ló ní picture yẹn before you attach it. And we are still calling your attention. You are pretending as if you didn't see it. Àwọn alábùkù kan orí ẹlòmíì ò pé. Thank God for this cyberspace. In fact, it really exposes a lot of people's weaknesses. Some people they are dullard. Orí ẹlòmíì ò pé rárá. Business wo lèmi àtèèyàn fẹ́ máa ṣe tí màá fi wá sọ pé kó lọ attach picture mi kó mọ̀ pè mí ní ẹni tó mọ́dá èèyàn ẹni tó mọ́dá ọkọ ẹ̀ tó gókó ọkọ tó náà ti kú dànù màá ní kó fi picture tèmi sí pé mi lẹ́ni yẹn sórí yín burú ni sórí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ nírònú burú ni ìkan náà ní àjọ máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn náà máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ online sórí ẹ burú ṣé ẹnu rẹ ni mo rẹ́ǹtì tí mo fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ àbí mo sọ fún ọ pé tí wọ́n náà bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kó mọ̀ wá sáfẹ́fẹ́ it's free world. Ṣùgbọ́n èèyàn olórí burúkú kan nígbà tí ayé yín ti bàjẹ́ owú kíkorò àti envy jealousy àti ìlara kò jẹ́ kó rí yín pé once tẹ́ bá ti rí any story ní ṣèwádìí all because you didn't like the person involved you start saying rubbish ìsọkúsọ tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn ó máa wá mú kẹ́ ẹ dàbí imbecile ó máa mú kẹ́ ẹ dàbí dìndìnrìn àwọn èèyàn tó dẹ̀ ń gbọ́ yín wọ̀n nímọ̀ wípé really ṣe dìndìnrìn hatred tẹ́ ní nínú ìlò mú yín sọ̀sọ̀kúsọ hatred tẹ́ ní nínú sí ẹni tọ́rọ̀ kàn ìlò mú yín sọ̀sọ̀kúsọ tó jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ dàbí dìndìnrìn yẹn. Because I see no reason why I will say this note of warning tí mò ń send fún yìí is for his own good. If I go and report him, the page will be pulled down. Èèyàn 5,000 àbí mélòó ló tì ní níbẹ̀. I know what it means to build a page. I have over 3 pages here on Facebook here. There is none of my page that is less than 100,000 followers. I know what it means to build a page. Timba report him. My admin said she wanted to report her. I told her, hold on first. Let me call his attention. Only marry. And I'm saying, remove this video. Remove it. And you don't know what they have. Maybe they do things. You don't know what happened between them. Olórí burúkú ni yín. Èmi mọ̀ yín rí ni. Ṣé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí afẹ́fẹ́ tó ṣe pé n tó wúlò nínú yín òpò lèmi ò mọ̀ bá ṣe díìlì. Mi ò tiẹ̀ ever rí page yẹn rí. I was tagged. So the moment mo rí tag yẹn ni mo hope ẹ̀ pé ẹni Sister Bose, come and look at this. So it seems there is a mix up somewhere. Somebody attach your picture with this story. Ni mo fi rí lálẹ́ àná yẹn. Ẹ̀yin kan wá ní bóyá wọ́n ti jọ dín ní díìlì. Orí yín burú ni. Èló on Facebook ń san. Tí wọ́n fi sọ pé kéèyàn kan attach photo tèmi mọ́ story orí burúkú ẹni tó gókó ọkọ dànù. Ẹ sọ ara yín ní ìsàlẹ̀ comment section mi o. Bóyá ẹ rò wípé ní ọlá wípé ní mo mọ́ wá bí báyìí mo mọ́ wá sọ̀rọ̀ gentle mo mọ́ wá sọ̀rọ̀ tùnú ní bí báyìí. Èyí tí ń bá gbèsè pè nú yín yóò rìn lọ ní láì wọ bàtà. Ẹ kó ṣì dànù. If you don't know what to say, keep quiet. Mo léyàn attach picture mi mọ́ story tí false information. And all these things I'm saying is for his own good. If I file a copyright report against him, he knows what it means. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ò pè ní yín. Many of you cannot even pass WAEC. They be comprehend the intellectual things. Adema, so tag him to remove this video. Tí mo bá report to page here, the page will be removed completely. What are you talking about? Ẹ̀dẹ̀ wá sọ ìkan tó pera ẹ̀ ní Abdulai Abdu kìíní kan ni ló ń sọ ìsọkúsọ. Ẹ sọ ara yín o, ẹ sọ ara yín gan gidi. Èyí tó bá mú mi bínú nú yín, èpè ni màá lé yín tẹ̀fẹ̀tẹ̀fẹ̀ jìnnà sórí page mi. Sórí yín burú gan ni. Àbẹ̀wò nìrẹ́gbẹ̀. Go and build a page. Build a page, create content, put it there, and let somebody sit down somewhere and come and be typing trash. And come and be saying nonsense. Somebody you didn't invite on your page. Me invite èèyàn wá sórí page mi. Ẹni tí ó bá ti fẹ́ ṣe orí burúkú, kókó ṣì kúrò lórí page mi. Build a page, do something. Tí ẹ kó èrò jọ náà kó tí ẹ ní èèyàn 1,000 náà, àbí èèyàn 500. You see what it means to build a page. and you will sit down, you read, you do research, do work, do everything because of 5-minute video tó fẹ́ ṣe. And you bring out educative content, let somebody tó rí ẹ ò pé kan tó ṣe wípé ẹni àbùkù ni tí ò lè rí ẹni gbòòrò gan kó súnmọ́ tó síbi tó wà kó wá mọ wá tẹ̀tẹ̀kùtẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Let's see the way you are going to tackle it. Ambos nítorí story tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó mọ bí tí fídíò yẹn tó ti máa rìn dé. A lot of people ojú yẹn náà kàn máa rí fírí. They will not know pé ẹni yìí kọ́ ni ó ní story yẹn. And I'm calling his attention. You know the implication of nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lórí burúkú yín ẹ mọ̀ pretend bí fẹ́ pẹ́ fẹ́ràn ọmọkùnrin ń gbẹ bá ti dénú ṣòro tán ẹ máa wá padà lẹ́yìn rẹ̀. Èèyàn kan tó pe àǹtí tó máa ń ṣe fíìmù yìí tó pè wọ́n ní nǹkan tán jẹ. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn ẹ̀wọ̀n ló wà nísìn ẹ̀wọ̀n ọdún 4 náà dá. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní kó go ọ̀hún sọ́hún gbà náà ṣé gbogbo yín tẹ̀lé dẹ́wọ̀n nísìn nígbà tó charge ẹ̀ fún defamation of character. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú máa ṣàǹfààní gbogbo. Ẹni ọba ti bí dáa tí mo bá ti post iṣẹ́ kó tún wá tẹ kọ́mẹ́ǹtì orí ibú. Èpè lókù tí màá gbé yín ṣẹ́. Ẹni òfò ẹni àdánù burúkú yìí. Ó dàpọ̀ àwọn tó ń ṣépè fún yín yẹn gan àwọn gan lọ́kọ yín. Àwọn tó ń ṣépè fún yín àwọn ni ọkọ yín. Èpè lókù tí mo máa gbé yín ṣẹ́ ń sìn. I am not looking for anybody that would like me. Tọ́rẹ̀ bá ti pọ̀jù ikú lèèyàn wá kiri. Everybody should maintain his own lane. I don't come for you, don't come for me. If you come for me, you will know that you enter one chance. Eko shidanu. If you don't want to hear what I'm saying, leave my page. Don't like me. I don't need your likeness. Don't come and copy my video, copy my picture, and attach it on a wrong story. You cannot hear. You are the first person to post it now. You should not worry. You know, that's true. Abolori buruku ni ṣé ẹ wo video tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ npa ìṣá. Did you watch the video I was talking about? Èmi gan kọ́ mo kọ́kọ́ rí. Somebody saw it and called my attention to it. If it's something not to worry about, this is not the first time táwọn èèyàn lo content mi. There was a video of mine tí mo ṣe 3 years ago. Kò sí blog tí ó gbé video yẹn tó fi pawó láyé ìgbà tí Facebook ń sanwó gidi. Èmi tí mo níṣẹ́ mi rí $1 lórí ẹ̀. Mi ò torí ẹ̀ report anybody now. Anybody lè lo ṣẹ́ mi. But you can't use my picture for a wrong story, wrong false information. You are misinforming the general public. Mo den call attention sí tó yẹ kó tètè take action immediately. Take it down, go and re-edit it. And mu ẹ̀yin dèdèrìn alábùkù kan. Orí burúkú máa ṣe mí nínú yín láìpẹ́ yìí. Ọlọ́run gbọ́. If you don't know what to say, keep quiet. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa dá sọ̀rọ̀. You don't understand how social media works. Go find somewhere to sit. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sẹ́yìn dàtí wọ́n jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni, wọ́n jọ ń ṣe orí ní burú ni ẹ fẹ́ ṣòfò dànù ni. Ẹ sú ara yín o, ẹ sú ara yín gan gidi. Ọjọ́ tí n bá máa gbé gbogbo ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú tẹ̀kùtẹ̀ sí comment section mi. Ọjọ́ tí n bá máa gbé yín ṣépè níbí, màá dìídì dedicate ọjọ́ kan fún yín ni. Àbẹ̀wò lè òṣì èèyàn pè yín wá sí orí page èèyàn. Bẹ́jẹ́ ni mò ń ṣe page mi. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ mọ̀ tẹ̀tẹ̀kùtẹ̀. Mi ò invite èèyàn wá sí bíbáyìí. Invite èèyàn wá. If you want to unfollow me, you unfollow in peace. The people that were with me láti tipẹ́tipẹ́, they are still with me. Wọ́n dà mí láàmú. Ṣé gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn rí táwọn èèyàn ń ṣe tí ò dá lèèyàn ń sọ ni? But this very one is unacceptable. You can't attach my picture with somebody who murdered her husband, who caught her husband gbola, and you expect me to keep quiet. Who does that? Mo dẹ̀ call your attention. Ẹni tí mo ń pe attention sí nǹkan gan, òun kan ti wá díẹ̀ mú pé òun rí lára news kan ni, òun ò mọ̀ wípé níbẹ̀ ló ṣe rí. Ẹ̀yin dèdèrè kan wá ní bóyá mi àti ẹjọ́ ṣe díìlì ni. Orí burúkú fẹ́ sọ gẹlẹ́gùn pa yín ni. Ẹ má worry. Mo ṣì ń jáde báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n dé. Live stream ni mo máa wá ṣe fún gbogbo yín. Ìkan dèdèrè kan náà o náà ń sàsì. Nígbà tó mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí mò ń sọ lórí page mi ò tẹ́ lọ́rùn. Kí ló wá dé bí báyìí? Kí ni tó wá dé bí tí ìwọ ò bá kí n ṣe olórí burúkú? Kí ló wá dé orí page o like n tán sọ ńbẹ̀, and yet you sit down there. Tẹ́yìn kì í bá ṣe alábòsí. Ẹ máa wá fẹ̀sìn bojú, ẹ máa ṣe bí èèyàn gidi. Ṣé mo invite yín wá síbí ni? Àbẹ̀wò lórí burúkú kan. Ẹ sọ ara yín yányán o, ẹ sọ ara yín yányán gidigidi gan gidi. Tí mo bá ń bọ̀ lọ́tún ẹ gba òsì. Mi ò kí ń kọjá àyè mi ò ń tọ́yàn kéèyàn má tọ̀ mí. If you come for me, you go know say you enter one chance. Torí mi ní ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ sọ́wọ́ mi ni. Èwo lórí burúkú gan.